Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can hashtag on Instagram, which means how to use it. Now there is two ways. You can either add hashtag on your content or you can search for hashtag. Let's say I click on search at the bottom, I click on search at the top, and I write hashtag Mr. Beast. Now anybody who has uploaded content under this hashtag is going to be shown. So if I click hashtag Mr. Beast, all the content under hashtag Mr. Beast is going to be appearing over here like this, as you guys can see. So let's say I don't want to see content with hashtag, I want to upload content with hashtag. For that I can click on plus at the bottom. Once I click on plus at the bottom, I can choose the content I want to upload and click on next at the top right. Now what I can do is click on next again. And over here where it says caption, I can click on it, and on the caption adding page, I can add hashtag. So let's say I can add hashtag, once I add hashtag, it's going to show me. I can click on the hashtag post will be added. You can add any hashtag you want. Once you add the hashtag you like, what you can do is click on OK at the top, and this post will be uploaded with the hashtag beneath it. So that is basically how you guys can hashtag a post on Instagram, or how you guys can use hashtags on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.